Welcome back to the Beaded Jewel, everybody. I'm Rochelle, and today's video is, as you can see, the bargain bead box for December. Hey, we're already there. It's almost Christmas. So, welcome everybody. Hope you're doing well. I have a little bit of a different setup here. I'm using actually my camera phone, not an actual camera. So this is the first. We're going to see how this goes, because I've never done it before. So let's get started. I haven't even opened it yet, so I don't know what's in it. Hope everybody's doing well. Did you get all your shopping done? That's the theme. We get 19 items in here. And so let's celebrate the frosty beauty of winter with glimmering gemstones and sparkling crystal. Genuine blue lace agate takes the center stage, with accents including aquamarine, agate, quartz, and crystal beads, and an icy blue stones. Silver finish findings and elegant swirling motifs complete the collection. So let's see here. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do this in regular ordered. Just taking a sip of my water. See what we have. Let's see how this filming goes today. Okay, so it's in a pretty purple organza bag, which looks kind of icy and cold. Oh, I can see it looks like it's this is a pale icy purple bag, but on a film it looks really dark. I'm going to have to adjust the color on here. Oh well. Let's get started and see what we got here. I'm going to put these over here. And we'll see what we have. So we'll just start off here with, I'll open it and then I'll tell you what it is. Let's see. Oh, this is pretty. So this is a woven swirl pendant. Let me see if I can get closer for you to see it. Really pretty. I guess you can use it on either side, because I'm not sure if there's a back or a front. Maybe that's the front. So there's a smooth side, and looks like it's like a hammered type of effect on that side there. Anyway, it's really pretty. And here we go with these. These are pretty. So this is the 8x10 mil 20 piece English cut crystal rondelle beads. And it has that AB finish on there, which I love. It's really pretty. We have that. And this looks like another pendant here. A little frosty looking pendant. I don't know if I need more light or what, but let's see here. Nope, can't put that there. I'm just gonna leave that there for now. Okay, so this is cute. This is a 20 mil blue lace agate and brass point pendant. It already has a bail on there for us. And that. Let's see here. There we go. Some more icy looking round beads here. So 8 mil Malaysia jade dyed quartz round beads in ice blue. And that's a 7.5 inch strand right there. Really pretty. And we have some more beads here. light on there maybe. I'm going to have 3 big lights here. So, these are pretty. Oops, this is agate. Dyed and heated cornflower blue round beads, 15 inches. And they are 6 mil. So these are really pretty. Nice long strand. Different shades of blue here. It's a lot lighter than what comes off on the screen. I'll try to adjust it in when I edit the video. There we go. Let's see what we have here. There we go. These are pretty. Again, these are a lot lighter than what's coming off on that screen. These are 8 to 12 mil blue lace agate faceted cylinder beads. It's pretty. Okay, let's see what we have here. So these are some bead caps. 30-piece bead caps, dotted star bead caps. These are pretty. Can always use bead caps. Seems like when I go to look for them, I never have them. So that's pretty. All right, so what else we have here? Whoops. Get that out of the way. Okay, so you get 4-piece 28 by 16 mil woven swirl links. I was trying to see where the light is better at. And you get 4 pieces. I'm just holding up 3. And it's nice because you can use either end here. I'll put these over here. Okay. And we have some chain here. 4x3. Hyperallergenic stainless steel Figaro chain. This is pretty. So you feel it's a little heavier in weight. And you get a nice long piece here. There you go. And let's see what else we have here. We have some clasp, hook and eye clasp. And I'm just going to leave a piece in there. That's what these look like. Okay, and we have some bicones here. 4 mil crystal faceted bicone beads in matte white with an AB finish on there. And here we go. We have some knot charms. And you get 8 pieces of these. They're 18 by 16 mil. And here's what I saw. Actually, I'm working on this right now. I have some of these. Of course, it's a bit lighter in person, but these are beautiful. And so they're 8 mil crystal faceted round beads in Alexandrite AB, 10 inches long. Look at that beauty. There you go. That is gorgeous. That's probably my favorite piece in here. But let's see. I've been working on. Let me see if I have them in here. They might be in my other room. I've just been making simple little stretch bracelets. You can see. This is a big, I think it's a 10 mil bead here. And then I made 2 of these. So yeah, love making those. Simple. I double strand when I work with that stretch elastic cord. I double strand it. It really helps keep it together nicely and keeps it from breaking. And then I have some more here. So I said I've been working on those. I have it laying right out here. I'm going to make some in this. Just a clear with AB faceted. Maybe I'll mix some of this one in with it. So let's move on here. And here we have 8 mil C opal glass faceted round beads, 11 inches. It's like kind of like a milky color there. Isn't that pretty? That would look good together. Kind of gives me the feeling of an iceberg here. With the plums, the silver, the milky color here. And here we go. There we go. Isn't that gorgeous? Crystal chevron oval barrel beads and slate blue iris, 6 inches. And these are gorgeous. Look at that detail in there. And we got some more beads here. Look at that. 6x4 mil crystal faceted rondelle beads in powder blue. And of course it has the AB finish. And I believe it's like a 15-inch long strand there. But they are gorgeous. All right, and we're not done. We got more. Okay. I have the little micro beads. 3 mil faceted aquamarine round beads. 7.5 inches. There you go. And I like these. Give us some sparkle. I won't take all these out. So these are spacer beads. 50 pieces of 4 mil brass stardust spacer beads in silver. I like these. There we go. And the last one, folks. Let's see. It's a big chunk of nuggets. There we go. Chips. Blue lace chips. Agate chips, 15 inches long. That's a lot of chips in there. Look at that. Wow. And again, it gives you that icy cold feeling. Look at that. There we go. And that's it. That's it for Bargain Bee Box December 2024. The last bee box in this month and this year. So there we go. We have a frosty icicle kind of look. A wintry burr look. Oh goodness. So yeah, I have to play around with this color, get it right. I hope when I go to edit it, it comes out okay. So anyway, I want to work on this right away. So thanks for watching, everybody. Don't forget to subscribe. You know, if you're new, click the like, the little like hand. You know, give a thumbs up there. It would help the channel out a great deal. And that's it, everybody. This is, oh, I forgot I was wearing my jewelry on here. This is my jewelry. Forgot I had it on doing this, honestly. This is my latest pom-pom bracelet, I call it. This is all Preciosa 4mm bicones. And, of course, this is the Rainbow Russian Spiral. I also have kits in this also. I have a tutorial and kits. Let me know if you're interested. It's gorgeous. You can wear it together. Anyway, that's it, folks. Thanks for taking the time to watch. I really appreciate it. And have a great holiday. And stay safe out there and stay warm. Bye-bye, everybody.